This is a Broadcast Devices tech update.
I came up with this actually in kind of response to this business of the, with the FCC delete, delete, delete. And if you look very carefully at what they did, they simply got out of the business of specifying what you should use to measure power. And if you looked at the standard, it really talks about mostly analog devices. You look at the size of the meter and the graduations and all that stuff. And that's largely, and I sort of have a kind of double-edged sword thing with this. I kind of agreed with what they did because that's mostly obsolete because most power measurement today is done digitally. We don't use analog style meters very much anymore. And if you do, they're really limited in what you can do with them because you can't use them for anything digital. If you're doing any kind of digital broadcasting, the analog style meter with a diode detector in it is not appropriate for doing average power measurements for high crest factor signals. Number one is compliance. That's the one thing they didn't get rid of. They're saying, well, you don't need to have a power meter, and we're not going to tell you what that should be. But if an inspector comes in and says, hey, can you show us that you're compliant with your license? What's your TPO and what you should be putting out, and how you going to do that unless you have some sort of a power meter.
Broadcast Devices has your power measurement solutions. Find us on the web at broadcast-devices.com or call us at 914-737-5032.